dumb policeman who just does his job day after day.
My father was one, a policeman.